In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for team notes. If your team needs a clear, consistent way to capture meetings and discussions, Confluence makes it simple to set up and follow. Let's walk through it together so you can start documenting with confidence right away. First, log into Confluence and head to your team's space. If your team doesn't have one yet, create a new space so everything lives in one organized place. From there, click Create to start a new page. This is your canvas for notes, and keeping all pages in the same space helps your team find information later without digging. When the new page opens, choose a template. The meeting notes template is a great starting point because it automatically provides sections like date, attendees, agenda, and notes. If you prefer complete flexibility, choose a blank page and add your own headings. Templates save time and keep formatting consistent, which makes reading and searching much easier across multiple meetings. Before you start typing, add the key details at the top. Give the page a clear title, like Weekly Team Meeting, Feb 2026, so it stands out in search. Record the date and time of the discussion to create a reliable timeline. Then list attendees, so it's obvious who was present and who may need a recap. Now capture the substance of the meeting in the notes section. Focus on key discussions, decisions made, and important announcements. Use headings to break up topics, bullet points to keep ideas concise, and tables if you need to compare items or track metrics. Keep language clear and action-oriented so anyone reading later can understand the outcomes without guesswork. Quick note. You'll find the official link to Confluence at the top of the description if you need to sign up or open it in your browser. It's right there so you can follow along as you watch. As tasks emerge, move them into the action item section, add each task with a checkbox, assign it to the right teammate, and include a due date. This creates accountability and ensures nothing from the meeting gets lost. When you're done, click Publish. Share the page link with your team so everyone has access. Teammates can comment to clarify details, edit to add missing context, or contribute notes in real time, which keeps the page living and accurate. For easy retrieval later, use consistent page titles and labels like Team Notes and Weekly. This small habit makes your notes instantly searchable and your history easy to browse. That's it. You now have a repeatable, team-friendly workflow for meeting notes in Confluence. Thanks for watching.